Hey, in this video we will multiply multi-digit numbers by multi-digit numbers. For example, 375 times 56. It is three-digit number. It is two-digit number. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens. First we multiply 6 by each number, and second multiply 5 by each number. 6 times 5, 30. Write 0, carry over, write the next column. 6 times 742 plus 345. Write 5 and 4 carry over, write the next column. 6 times 3 18. 18 plus 4 22. 5 times 5 25. Write 5 and 2 carry over, write the next column. From this we back one number because it is tens. 5 times 7 35 plus 2 37. Write 7 and 3 carry over, write the next column. 5 times 3 15 plus 3 18. And finally we add this number each other as 0 plus 0 or plus nothing 0. 5 plus 5 10. Write 0 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 2 3 plus 7 10. 10. Write 0 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 2 3 plus 8 11. Write 1 and 1 carry over, write the next column. 1 plus 1 2. And finally 375 times 56 equals 21,000.